Hey, what's up, dentcoin holder? What's going on this time? As you can see here, my friends, the dentcoin price is very badly decreased now, minus 10.07%. The price is decreased now. Remember, this is not a permanent dump, but absolutely, I hope they will recover this loss. But it is possible if a holder are starting investing, if the market cap is increasing. The main thing, my friend, is the market cap is increasing. So, my friends, they will recover the loss and the price will be change occurring positive. So, holder in those days, my friends, especially the holder are starting selling because when a holder, my friends, see the huge pump, definitely, my friends, they will decide to this is selling time and get a very good profit. But absolutely, my friends, they will doing very huge mistake to they're starting selling in those days, because my brother, after the mid of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore, if they were sell, my friend, in those days, remember they will miss the huge profit. So therefore, please, I advise for all of you to please hold down and wait for the end of this month. Just in only the last 10 days of every month, every coin, my friends, will get a very good profit. So therefore, my advice for all of you to please hold down. And remember, this is not a financial video, all right? So please try to understand. And this time, as you can see, the price is completely fails down, but temporary, my friend, you can see here. So I hope after this fail, I'm 100% sure they will get a profit. So therefore, expert says to after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So just in only, as you can see here, after this pump they will dump, after this dump they will pump, after this dump they will absolutely pump. So therefore, holder, please try to understand. To holders, hold on. I hope if you are hold, so I hope they will give you a profit. So see you next time, my all coin holders. Please, I hope in upcoming times they will give you a profit if you are hold. So hold out. I hope they will give you a profit, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.